Welcome to the DevOps Engineer Career Guide. DevOps is a modern approach that brings together development and operations teams. It focuses on automating deployment, managing infrastructure, and enabling continuous delivery of software. This role is crucial in today's fast-paced tech industry, where companies need to release updates quickly and reliably. DevOps is both a philosophy and a set of practices. As a philosophy, it breaks down the traditional silos between development teams who write code and operations teams who manage infrastructure. As a practice, DevOps automates infrastructure and deployment processes. The goal is to make software delivery faster, more reliable, and more efficient through collaboration and automation. DevOps rests on three main pillars. First is automation, which means using scripts and tools to handle repetitive tasks automatically. Second is infrastructure, which includes both cloud and on-premises resources that applications run on. Third is continuous delivery, which means releasing software updates frequently and reliably. These three pillars work together to streamline the entire software delivery process. As a DevOps engineer, you have several core responsibilities. First, you design and build CI/CD pipelines, which are automated testing and deployment workflows. Second, you manage infrastructure by provisioning and maintaining cloud resources at scale. Third, you implement monitoring and logging systems to track system health and troubleshoot issues when they arise. These responsibilities ensure that applications run smoothly and teams can deploy quickly. To succeed as a DevOps engineer, you need both technical and soft skills. Technical skills include Linux and shell scripting, Docker and Kubernetes for containerization, and cloud platforms like Oz, Azure, or GCP. Soft skills are equally important. A problem-solving mindset helps you tackle complex infrastructure challenges. Communication across teams enables collaboration with developers and operations staff, and a continuous learning attitude keeps you updated with rapidly evolving technologies. The DevOps ecosystem includes many specialized tools. For containerization, Docker packages applications into containers and Kubernetes orchestrates them at scale. For CI/CD platforms, Jenkins, GitLab CI, and GitHub Actions automate testing and deployment workflows. For infrastructure as code, Terraform, Ansible, and CloudFormation allow you to define infrastructure using code. Mastering these tools makes you a valuable DevOps engineer. A typical CI/CD pipeline has 4 stages. First, code commit happens when a developer pushes code to a repository. Second, build and test runs automated compilation and unit testing to catch bugs early. Third, deploy releases the application to staging and production environments automatically. Fourth, monitor tracks performance and gathers user feedback. This entire process can happen multiple times per day, enabling rapid software delivery. DevOps delivers multiple benefits to organizations. Faster releases mean deploying updates multiple times per day, safely, instead of waiting weeks or months. Improved reliability comes from consistent environments that reduce production issues. Cost efficiency is achieved through automation that reduces manual work and resource waste. Better collaboration means teams work together toward shared goals instead of working in isolation. These benefits directly impact business success. DevOps isn't without challenges. There's a steep learning curve because you need knowledge of multiple tools and technologies across the full software stack. Security and compliance require balancing automation with security requirements and regulatory standards. Tool fragmentation means managing diverse toolsets across infrastructure, which can become complex. However, these challenges are surmountable with dedication and continuous learning. DevOps offers excellent career prospects. The typical career path starts as a junior DevOps engineer, progresses to senior DevOps engineer, then DevOps Architect, and finally Director of Engineering. Salary ranges reflect this progression. Entry-level positions start at $70,000 to $90,000 annually. Mid-level engineers earn $90,000 to $130,000. Senior engineers and architects earn $130,000 to $180,000 or more. Salary varies based on location and company size. If you want to become a DevOps engineer, follow this learning path. First, learn Linux thoroughly as it's the foundational operating system for DevOps work. Second, master a programming language like Python or Bash for writing automation scripts. Third, practice with real projects by building CI/CD pipelines and deploying actual applications. Hands-on experience is crucial for developing practical skills that employers value. DevOps engineers are in high demand and shape how applications reach users worldwide. The journey requires commitment, but offers tremendous rewards. Start by learning Linux, then dive into automation tools, build real projects to gain experience, and embrace continuous learning as technology evolves. Your DevOps career journey starts now. Take the first step today and join the growing community of professionals transforming how software is delivered.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.